A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start with our third period. Take out your notebook and let's do the revision. So children, let's start the class. Let's do the revision of the chapter multiplication. Today's date is 11/9/21. Every one of you take out your notebook. The learning outcome is students will enhance the concept of multiplication. So you already know what is multiplication, children. It is one of the process of repeated addition, right? Suppose, for example, 5 plus 5 plus 5. Here 5 is repeated how many times? 3 times, right? So we can say 3 times 5. So 3 times 5, how can we find it multiplication? That is 3 multiplied by 5 gives us 15, right? So we can say that multiplication is one of the process of repeated addition. Then in this chapter, children, we studied about the multiplication with regrouping, without regrouping, and we have also solved some of the word problems. Okay, so out of that, children, we are going to solve some of the questions in today's class. Let's start with our question number 1. 3 multiplied by 5 on a number line. So what will be the product? We are going to find the product on a number line. So let's start. You all know how to make a number line, right? Question number 1. Question 1. Number line. What is a number line, children? A line. It is not a straight line, children, but you have to use your scale for drawing a straight line. A line on which numbers are there, we call it as number line, right? We call it as number line. And what was the number? 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5. This we are going to show it on a number line. Okay? 3 multiplied by 5. So we are going to find the product. So in the other way, how can we say this? 3 multiplied by 5. We can say 3 times 5. We can say 3 times 5. 5 is how many times? 3 times. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5. Isn't it, children? So 3 times 5. And how we are going to do it on a number line? Let's do it. We are going to mark the numbers on the number line. Keep the equal gap. Mark the numbers. Start from 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. More will be required, so I'll just give a more. I'll rub this. 14 and 15. So till 15 we will require. So from 0 to 15 we'll write on a line. So it makes it number line. Okay. Now what is written here? 3 times 5. 5 is how many times, children? 3 times. Now let's jump 5 3 times. Now let's jump, children, I am using the word let's jump 5 3 times. So from 0 we will start from 0 to 5. This is 1 time, right? Then 5 plus more 5. So 5 plus more 5. 5 plus 5 makes it 10. Then we'll jump to 10. Then we'll jump to 10. And then children, you know that 10 plus 5 makes it what? 10 plus 5 is your, here it will be, what we did here is 5 plus 5, we got it 10, then 10 plus 5 will get it 15. So then you jump to 15. Okay, so how many times did we jump? 3 times. So it makes 3 times 5. 5 we have jumped 3 times. So where did we reach? We reached the number 15. So children, what is our product? Our product is 15. Hope it is clear to everyone. Multiplication on a number line. So let's see our next question. Question number 2. Find the product of 524 and 18. 524 multiplied by 18. So this is your children. We are multiplying by a 2-digit number, right? Our multiplier is 2-digit number. So first let's start. Let's recall this. Let's do this. Question number 2. Question number 2. 524 multiplied by 18. 524 multiplied by 18. You all know how to do, children. 524 is our multiplicand. Our multiplicand is multiplicand. Our multiplicand is 524. 524. 5, 2 comes in tens place and 4 comes in ones place. So you can write the place value also here. Ones, hundreds, tens and ones. And our multiplier is what, children? Our multiplier is 18. And our multiplier is 18. LIER. So 18 means 1 10 and 8 ones. Give the multiply sign. Now let's multiply. So children, 18 we cannot use both together. So for this we will use which multiplier first, children? We are going to use our 8. We are going to use first 8. We will multiply first with 8. So 4 will start always from ones place. 4 8 times makes it what? 32, right? That means this is regrouping. So 3 goes to tens place, 30, and 2 remains in ones place. Now we will multiply with the digit in the tens place. So what is here? 2. So 2 8 times is what? 16. Very good. 2 8 times is 16. And do you remember in addition what we do with the carryover? We add, right? So same here we are going to add. First we will multiply. Then the carryover will be added with the product. So 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16 and carryover will be added. So what we get here? 19, right? Again we have to regroup. 1 goes to hundreds place and 9 remains in tens place. Now we will multiply 5. We will move to hundreds place and we will multiply 5 with 8. So 5 8 times is what, children? 40. Very good. 5 8 times is 40. So carryover will be added with the product, that is 40 plus 1 we get it 41. So 1 will come in hundreds place and 4 will come in thousands place. So you can write here, you can give here 1000s place also. You can, before starting the multiplication, children, if it is a 3 digit, if you see that it is a bigger number, you can give this thousands place also. Okay. Now with 8 we have multiplied all the digits, right? 4, 2, 5, we have multiplied all. So that means the work of 8 is done. Now we will move to 1. Now with this 1, children, we will multiply again 4, 2, 5. We will multiply this all digits. So 1 is in tens place. So children will start from the next line, and that too from the tens place. So in the ones place we will put 1, 0. Let's start. 1 fours are, we always start from ones place. 1 fours are 4. Any number multiplied by 1, the product is always 4. Now we will move to tens place. 1 twos are 2. Very good. Then with hundreds place, 1 fives are 5. So we have find two product. One is of 8. One is of 8 and the second one is of 1. Now we are going to add both the products. Now we are going to find the total product. So 2, 9 plus 4 is your 13. 1 will be carried over to hundreds place. You count all the digits in the hundreds place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Then let's count the thousands place. 4 plus 5 is 9. So here we get it, children. The product is 9,432. So let's see our next question number 4. Rahul bought 9 packets of glazed paper to make a poster. To make a poster, they required glazed paper, shiny paper. So children, Rahul bought how many glazed paper? How many packets of glazed paper? 9 packets. Okay. So we'll try to understand with the help of diagram. 9 packets. So this is the packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here Rahul bought 9 packets. Okay. Now let's see what is written after that. Each packet has 36 sheets. Each packet has how many sheets? 36 sheets, right? So let's write down here 36. That means in every packet, children, there are 36 sheets. So do you remember the repeated addition? This forms a repeated addition, right? So 36, 36, 36. If you keep adding, it will become too long process. So how do we find out? With the help of multiplication? We see that 36 is repeated how many times, children? 9 times, right? So we say 36 9 times. So 36 multiplied by 9. 36 multiplied by 9. Then you multiply and you will get the product. That how many sheets of glazed paper did he buy in all? So once you get the product, that product is the total number of sheets of glazed paper which he bought. Okay, children. So you try these questions at home, and if you find any problem, and try to solve some more questions of multiplication, and if you find any problem, we can clear it in the class. Okay, thank you so much, children.